This is a short video just to show how to use the search function in the WOSSAC website. The World Soil Survey Archive and Catalogue at Cranfield University holds a huge wealth of soils and natural environmental information from around the world, all of it captured in the archive application that we see on the screen here, and there's a search facility to allow you to identify particular items. Along the top of the window here we see the search tool here, and there's three types of searches. There's a quick search, an advanced search, and a map search, and I'll show you each of these in turn. First of all, the quick search very simply allows you to enter in text which is searched against all of the fields held for items in the catalogue. So for example, if I was interested in finding something about Kungwe Bay in Tanzania, Kungwe, I could type in a keyword like this, and when I hit submit, it comes back with the items that have been found. In this case, there's one hit. On the screen here you can see the title of the item and the subtitle, the date it was published, and the name of the country now, and the name of the country at the time the item was published, Tanganyika. We also see here on the left the ID number for the item, and a small symbol may appear to show that this item has now been scanned and is available for a download. If I click on the item link, it will take me to the page that describes the item in more detail, and you can see all of the fields here on the screen, including a quick look at the thumbnail image of the map, a link to the download of the JPEG file, and also maps of the general location. So the quick search is a very easy way to find items generally, but if you want to be more precise, you can go to the search, advanced search here. This allows you to enter in specific information that you're interested in. For example, the title, the year, the author, the country name today and the country at the time of the survey, keywords, collection reference, and the collection as well. Notice also the tick box here for just returning fields where the records have been scanned and are available for download. So for example, if I wanted to enter in the country at the date of the survey, and I could say it includes Tanganyika, like so. I may also want to click the link here showing only those records that have been scanned and submit. 101 records have appeared, and I can search down through the list looking for the items that I want. And when I find the item, I can select it in the same way. So for example, here is the geological map of the Mgambo-Katumi area in Kungwe Bay. And again, I can click on the item and back comes that same screen we saw earlier. Finally, you can also use the search function with the map search. And the map search brings up a box which has the items that have been recorded with the map coordinates in them. I can click on the map search here to start the map search process. All of these searches are on the same page, by the way, and the map search is at the bottom. If I click on map search, it opens a new screen with a map on the screen here, and items showing on the screen in either blue or green. The blue symbols show georeferenced items for which a download is available, and the green items show items that are held in the archive but have not yet been scanned and are not available for download. If I zoom in on a particular area, you can see that some of these clusters of markers here expand to show multiple items coming up. So as I move over the mouse, with the mouse, I get to see the particular items that are the outline of the map items. So for example, if I click on a map, there is our very same map that we've just seen before, and I can click on it again. If I want to get rid of that and move around, I can. If I want to make the map full screen, I can click up here on the right hand side at the top toggle full screen mode, and now I see the whole map available to zoom and pan around. If I want to go to a different location, I can scroll underneath the map and I can see a drop-down box here which currently shows Tanzania, and I can see all of the other countries and territories in the archive which I can select from. For example, Sudan, Syria, the Seychelles, and so forth. By default it shows Tanzania. So the search engine gives a very quick way to access the information in WOSSAC, and when you find the item that you want, you have the information recorded in the catalogue, and very likely and hopefully for all of the items in due course, a scanned file that you can download. And in this case it tells me it's a 7.8 megabyte file, it's a JPEG file, and it'll download this map.